Yes, we know. Your child just loves watching surprise eggs unboxing videos. And then you can have a moment for yourself. What would you say if there was a game based around these surprise eggs? Surprise Eggs World. Your child will not only watch, but also unbox the surprise egg all by themselves and play with the little animal hidden inside. We've made this game so kids can enjoy the wonder of surprise eggs without their parents' assistance. More than 30 funny animated creatures await them. Farm animals, pets, wild animals, and even dinosaurs. With Surprise Eggs World, your child will not only have fun,
Dog.
but will also learn a thing or two.
Dog likes to bark.
Download the game and try it for free on a tablet or a smartphone. Surprise Eggs World. Get it on the App Store or Google Play.